I was to hush about this smartphone. It's actually great. First of all, it feels very nice in the hand, and it is beautiful with that gold trim. Fingerprint sensor, bam, it is quick. 120 Hz will give you a smooth experience. Look at how smooth that is. That is really, really smooth. Not like in a Samsung when it's jerking on the same price. It's a smoothness in the highest level. Now, if we switch settings and battery and more than performance, then we are in high performance mode. Usually in default is in the smart performance mode. If you get high performance, then we'll get a maximum power. 600,000 points, which is not great. Not great, my friend. Why is that? Because flagships are like 2 million. 2,200,000. So it's a quarter of power of the flagship experience. And let me remind you that this is not a super cheap smartphone. It's like $50 less than Galaxy S23, the last year flagship. So, storage test. And unfortunately, only UFS 3.0. So multitasking will be very limited. But if those numbers don't mean anything to you, let me show you another number, which is, let me just, history. And there you go. There we are. We had single core. So 931 points compared to the other devices is like Poco 3, Poco X3 Pro, or Galaxy S21 FE, the old medium range. It's not even a flagship. The FE version, fan edition, it's basically crap. Also in multi, 2,800 points. That's somewhere around, again, the same area. Fan edition of S21 or Poco F3. Oh, even less than Pixel 6a. Come on. But, can we play a game? Of course we can. In the game department, we do have a game mode. You can choose the different settings, all kinds of settings, upload to YouTube and stuff like that. Speakers, really good. Nitro. If you tap it. Yeah. Bam! And finish! Battery, it's hard to say because I'm using those smartphones very different than any other user. So just testing. It'll last me for a whole day, and that's very important because like iPhone is like 4 hours. This is whole day. That's a huge difference. Okay, but that's enough for gaming camera. And in the camera, we do have one feature which is really awesome. It's a hardware thing, which is a wide angle in the front-facing camera. Look how wide that is. And it's also tracking me. It's very wide. Wider than any other medium-range smartphone. And that is great for vlogging. Also, the main lens, you can switch lenses during the recording in full HD from a super wide angle all the way to a crazy macro. That is wow. Brilliant. Of course, we do have same extremely wide, even wider in photo, portrait, and all kinds of different functions. Let me show you some samples. You can zoom with periscope. It's a periscope zoom, so wow, winning. You can go back. You see it is very wide. And also front-facing camera is extremely wide, so vlogging will be very nice. tasty bunch with a nice bokeh effect. Colors, it's not oversaturating, it's not undersaturating, it is accurate. Really accurate. Selfies, a little bit too much bokeh. That blur effect on the background, very intensive. Well, with a telephoto, periscope zoom, really nice. Basically at night. A little bit of macro for you. Alright. Look at that beautiful cake. It is looking gorgeous. Now this is a high resolution photo. Also very nice. They will link a description for you. You can download those photos and check them by yourself. Also a huge building. We can zoom with the periscope. Look at the amount of details. We can go even further. Even further. Now that is a lot. Image. A little bit more colors for you. You can see it's not oversaturating the image, but the wide angle lens will undersaturate the image. Look at that moon effect. I'm not sure is it AI or real one, but it is what it is.
She's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty letter and a straight jacket round her waist. When she gets a bite, you better run, you better hide, better pull like you're not worth the chase. Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. Once you daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poison apples. She's nothing like you ever seen. Her mood goes up and down and round and round, and ain't no telling what she might do next. 'Cause she's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty letter, and she might just come for you.
And in the end, this is a beautiful looking smartphone on the outside and decent on the inside. What if you want more power for the same price or even lower price? I have something for you, something which is really extraordinary, because there you go. For the less price than that medium range smartphone, you could have a flagship components. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, UFS 4.0, beautiful cameras, fantastic screen for less. How insane is that? I'll have one of those smartphones in the next week for the review, and we'll find out how good it really is. And if you don't want a Redmi and you want a REALME, I have a flagship REALME for you for just a couple of dollars more. Just a tiny bit of dollars more. Tiny bit. How insane is that? That's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video.